I'm Mike Baez with Luna Innovations, and I'll be presenting our new multi-point high-temperature probes. The Luna OS4500 series takes the advantages of fiber optics into the high-temperature sensing realm. Capitalizing on advances in optical fiber conditioning with femtosecond lasers, Luna now offers extremely high-temperature sensors in a robust, rugged offering. The OS4500 measures multiple points along the length of a stainless steel probe that is capable of measuring up to 20 sensing points along a 2-meter probe. The OS4500 series is compatible with other Luna and third-party sensors that encompass physical parameters such as pressure, displacement, acceleration, and strain. These new sensors simplify high temperature measurements with the ruggedization of multi-point temperature, all with the advantages that fiber optic sensors provide. How does an OS4500 compare with the electric sensing method? Electric sensing monitors the change in voltage or resistance to measure temperature back at the data acquisition system. Copper cabling is run from the sensor to the structure and back to the data acquisition system. The cumbersome cabling and need to manage I/O associated with complex layouts inevitably leads to a search for alternative options. Enter the OS4500. By measuring the shift in reflected fiber Bragg grating wavelength at each sensing location, the OS4500 allows for extremely sensitive multi-point high temperature measurements at both static and dynamic rates. The OS4500 series presents users 4 standard offerings for 500C and 700C capable probes in a 1 and 2 meter form factor. The 1 meter probes come equipped with 10 sensing points equally spaced, and the 2 meter probes offer 20 sensing points in the stainless steel probe. Each configuration has a 1 meter flexible steel lead-in and a 150C capable FC-APC connector. Accuracy specifications range from ±3 degrees C to ±4 degrees C. Capitalizing on the distance advantages that fiber optics provide, the OS4500 is capable of measuring over 10 kilometers from the instrument. Applications for the OS4500 multi-point temperature probes range from industrial processes in the oil and gas industry to validations of designs in gas turbines and other high temperature component monitoring. Although this list doesn't fully encompass all the ways the OS4500 could be deployed, there are many that are unlisted that could benefit from the advantages of fiber optics. The enabling advantages that fiber optic sensors provide are the ability to measure over long distances, deployability in EMI and hazardous environments, the ability to measure multiple physical parameters simultaneously, high density measurements, and both static and dynamic measurement rates. In addition to the standard products, custom temperature probes can be manufactured that have specialized spacing routines as well as different connector and lead-in types. The possibilities are endless given that the probes can be designed for up to 6 meters in length. Thank you for your time. If you have questions, please email us at solutions@lunainc.com or visit our website at lunainc.com.